Are you trying to buy an app or game on Play Store but suddenly getting a payment error like this? GCash declined your payment. Or PFG EM57? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and in this video I'll show you the real reasons and working solutions. Disclaimer. This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. The solutions shared here are based on common technical scenarios and may vary depending on device model, app version, or server condition. For official assistance, please contact the respective app support team. So basically, this error means your payment through GCash was declined by the system. It's not always your fault. Sometimes it's a system issue, account limitation, or payment verification problem. Reasons number 1. Insufficient balance. If your GCash wallet doesn't have enough balance including taxes or extra charges, the payment will fail. Number 2. GCash account not verified. If your GCash account is not fully verified, eKYC incomplete, transactions can be blocked. Number 3. Bank or payment restriction. Sometimes GCash or Google Play may block certain transactions due to security checks. If your GCash is not properly linked to your Google Play account, the system may reject the payment. Number 5. Network or server issue. Temporary server downtime or unstable internet can also trigger this error. Number 6. Region mismatch. If your Play Store country and GCash region don't match, payments may get declined. Number 7. Too many attempts. Trying multiple times quickly can trigger fraud protection systems. Solutions. Number 1. Check your balance. Make sure you have enough balance, including extra charges or taxes. Number 2. Complete GCash verification. Go to your GCash app and complete full KYC verification. Number 3. Remove and re-add payment method. Number 4. Clear Play Store cache. Number 5. Use stable internet. Switch to a strong Wi-Fi connection instead of mobile data. Use alternative payment method. Try another option like debit card, UPI, or gift card if available. Number 8. Check country settings. Make sure your Play Store country matches your payment method region. So guys, this is how you can fix the GCash decline payment error or PFGV EM57 easily. Most of the time it's just a small issue like balance, verification, or server delay. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech solutions.